You ready to learn?
It's me, Shrimp Dick Poppy.
Giving the long strokes to the rich folks.
So it's insider knowledge.
But tell everybody you know.
A lot of women have been complaining saying that my boyfriend always leaves the seat up. Step 1, put the seat down. Great job! But Nico, my girlfriend, always leaves the seat down. Step 1, raise the seat up. Great job! But Nico, you see, when he leaves the seat up, right? When he leaves the seat up, right? I walk in, and I fall into the toilet.
Have you all ever fallen into a toilet because of boyfriend negligence?
This is going to come as a surprise to a lot of you. And I know this is gonna blow your mind.
But you see the light switch? That's not the light switch. This is where you're messing up. You're using this switch. The light switch! It works. Step 1, turn the light on. Step 2, check to see if the seat is up. Step 3, seat down. Great job! Oh, but Nico, I don't want to do any of that. I want when I come in, the seat's already down, the light is already off, so when I walk in, I can just plant my cheeks on the seat without any kind of inconvenience. Fellas, I know you guys like to raise the seat, take your leak, right? And you don't check here to see any splats. You gotta check there, buddy. You gotta check there. You gotta check around the rim. Wipe that off. You see how I put that in there? That's because I wiped it off. I made sure that there's no pee stains on the toilet bowl. Alright? No. Furthermore, check underneath here. Sometimes it might gather. You know what I'm saying? You miss a lot, so it runs down the back here and then goes back here.
You're a grown-ass man. What is your problem?
There's some kind of special method. Make sure like all the pee goes right there. That's the glory right there. That's your special, but that's your extra credit right there. Right there is where it's supposed to go. Nowhere else. What if it goes somewhere else though?
I'm gonna be fuck you for asking.
How should I wash my hands after? I would suggest you use some soap, alright? But the main factor right here is to actually wash your hands. Alright? I'm not talking about this. You see this action right here? You didn't just wash your hands. You're playing in the water. So is it like a special method? Check this out, bucko. That here, in between the fingers right there. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah, buddy. You do the Birdman. You do the bird like you're getting some money. You do the Birdman. You see that? You do the Birdman. Look yourself in the mirror while you're doing the Birdman. Great job! Can I wash my hands for too long?
You can look at yourself in the mirror the entire time. Just admire yourself. Look at me, being all hygienic.
What about number 2?
Did you wash your ass? Oh, look at me. Did you wash your ass?
This is a big red flag. Don't do this. Do not do this.
How would you put the seat down? How you know the poop left if you never seen him leave?
Step 1, leave the seat up like that. All right. Step 2. See that flush right there? You check. Step 3. Good job. If at step 3 there's poo still in there, repeat steps 1 through 3.
I'm so good to be proud of you. Now let's discuss player 2.
Using the bathroom is a 2-player game.
It's not supposed to be, but player 1 is an unwilling participant. If you're outside the bathroom while somebody's inside the bathroom,
stay outside.
As player 2, you would like to speak to the person in the bathroom while you're outside the bathroom. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Somebody's using the bathroom. I want to have a stupid conversation, but I can't.
That's how it should go. The only acceptable phrase you can say while you are outside the bathroom is anybody in the bathroom? And what if they respond saying that they are in the bathroom? Then you walk away, douchebag of us prime.
Damn it, they said they're in there. I want to ask them about the plants that are outside, or maybe if I should turn on the stove, but as they're using the bathroom, the proper responsible thing to do is to fuck off. I'ma fuck off.
Great job! Any closing statements? If you or a friend has seen this video and refused to follow the steps or abide by the bathroom using rules, I hope the person you fall in love with, right, meets your doppelganger somewhere else that looks exactly like you, who is exactly like you in every physical, emotional, spiritual way, has sex with them near you, and meets eye contact with you constantly, right before they nut, going, ah! So you know that the person you love loves you, but just not you.
Holy Toledo's, black man.